What you're looking at is a fully customizable product running live on a real store. Customers can swap parts, add their own text, and watch it update in real time. Let me show you how to build this. Let's open it up in Kickflip's Product Builder. This is where you control every part of your custom product. Every configurator comes down to just two things: questions and answers. This strap is a question. It controls one section of the product, and each question holds a set of answers. Let's open one up. See this? It's a transparent PNG of just the strap. That's the secret behind the entire preview. Each answer is a single transparent PNG of one part. I'll click here to create a new product configurator. Let's start with the case. I'll click here to create a question, pick thumbnail as the input type, and image as the display type. Let's name this question Case. Now I'll open this answer, rename it Gold, and upload our gold case image. We'll quickly do the same for the rest of the case images. Now let's add the strap using another method, dynamic coloring. I'll create a question, pick color picker as the input type, then color as the display type. Now all that's left is to upload the image this color will be applied to. I'll click Add Image Question, then New Image Question, and upload our strap image. Since we don't need to show it in the choice panel, let's drag it behind the scenes, just like that. And there we go. I'll quickly add a few more questions to complete the product preview. And just like that, a fully working watch configurator. Pretty great, right? Now, what if you want customers to engrave their own text, say, on the back of the watch? I've already set that up. Under Settings, I've added a view too. Within the case question, I've uploaded the back view of the case, and I've done the same for each case color. Then I created a text question and placed my text right here. As you can see, I've made it visible on view 2 and not on view 1. I'll type in my initials, and they show up on the watch instantly. From here, I could add a text color or a font choice. It's really up to you. Now it's your turn. Go build your configurator. Need a hand? Our support team is available via live chat to help you out.